How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we have a Canon Pixma with the error code 5B00, which kind of looks like 5800, but it's actually a B. These front lights are flashing green and orange. It goes 7 orange and then 7 green. And the printer is giving me no function whatsoever. We're specifically working on a Canon G4200, but this will work with lots of other models of Canon Pixma. It's a waste ink sponge error, so the printer thinks that the waste ink sponge is full. It may or may not be full, but we're gonna reset it. And they say don't do this more than once, otherwise the sponge will be super full and it's just going to spill ink everywhere. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and let's get into the fix. So first thing you're gonna need to do is load some printer paper into the back of the printer and turn your printer off. So we're gonna hold this stop button and we're going to turn the printer on, and then we're going to release the stop button. Now we're going to press the stop button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you saw it kind of went back and forth, and then we're going to release the power button. The printer is going to make some noises, the green light's going to flash, and the printer is now going into service mode. Now that we have a solid green light, the screen's just a big black rectangle. The printer is making some moaning sounds, but we are now in service mode. Now we're going to send a command to the printer to print out a service information page. And the way you do that is you press stop 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then you press the power button once. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see that the printer is going to suck out a piece of paper and print. The printer's making some noises, and then it's going to print a piece of paper.
A few moments later.
So my printer printed out a blank piece of paper, but your printer won't print out a blank piece of paper. Your printer should print out some information, and on the second row it's going to say D equals and a number. And that number is the percent that the ink sponge is filled. It should be 100% or a little over 100% is which threw the printer into the error code to begin with. My printer didn't print anything because my ink tubes are empty. My ink tubes are empty because I had to clean the print head. I had to clean the print head because it was clogged. And then I tried to do an ink flush. However, since the sponge is reading 100% error, I can't do an ink flush. So that's why my printer didn't print anything, but yours should have printed out that info sheet. Now we're gonna send a command to the printer to reset that ink waste percent that's over 100. We're gonna reset it back to 0. And the way you do that is you hit stop 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're gonna hit the power button. It's gonna blink, and then it's gonna print you out another piece of paper. Your piece of paper will say D equals 000.0. However, since my black print head doesn't work right now, it doesn't say anything. You can print out another info sheet if you want, pressing stop 3 times and then the power button. You'll see that it has updated that D equals percentage on the second row. On your new info sheet, it will update that second row. It should say D equals 0 now instead of over 100%. The printer now thinks that the ink waste container was replaced, and now we can power the printer off. It took a while for the printer to actually turn off, but now if we power the printer back on, we should be back to normal. We got no error code, no blinking lights. Your printer should be working, and if it's not, I have another video showing how to kind of diagnose if one of the inks isn't working. I will put a link to that video in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if it worked for your printer, what printer model it was, because that will help a lot of other people out as well. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.